Back out on a wild camp. Just landed in Edale. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. I think that's just looking over towards Kinder Scout. See Lewes Hill there in the background, Mam Tor, and that's where I'm headed, up towards Hollins Cross and onto the Great Ridge. Yeah, the wind's picking up now, so I can imagine how windy it's going to be on the top of Mam Tor. That's where I'm headed. Looks like I've got the place to myself as well. Mam Tor to myself. Yeah, I think it's over 1,600 feet, Mam Tor. I'll put the exact height on the screen so you can see. Yeah, quite a steep walk up. I mean, it's nothing too strenuous, it's a nice family walk. But when you've got a backpack on and you're as unfit as me, then it can be quite hard. Just going to make my way to my camp spot now. Hopefully it's nice and sheltered. My hands are freezing at the moment. The temperature's really dropped. The sun's just gone down now, so it's going to get really cold up here. Right then, so that's the tent up. It's not the most safe pitch I've ever had in the world. It's freezing. Yeah, I'm right on the edge of this hill. Yeah, if you roll down there, it's goodbye. So I'm just using this door. This tent has 2 doors, so if I need to get up in the middle of the night for the toilet or whatever, I'll have to make sure that I use this door and not wander past this side of the tent, because this is right on the edge. If you roll down there, it's quite a steep hill, so if you roll down there, you've got no chance. Brought myself some ingredients to make a stir fry. Chicken and black bean sauce. I'm using a trangia as usual. The ground's all soaked. See what the temperatures have dropped. It's freezing. Just got some chicken, mushrooms and onions frying off. Big chunks of chicken. See what I'm really looking forward to this. Smells absolutely amazing. Threw in some baby corns, some snap peas, some sweet peppers, onions, mushrooms and chicken so far. Smells amazing. I always like eating a proper fresh meal when I'm out on a camp, especially in the winter. Yeah, it's packed full of colour, full of goodness. There's loads of chicken as well. Really looking forward to tucking into it. Just added some soy sauce, some chillies, some garlic. Yeah, it's coming along nicely now. I've got this to throw in as well. This black bean sauce. Here's the rain now as well. Getting absolutely soaked here. We'll have to move into the tent in a minute. Got a few Elvis juices as well for later. I've had to come inside the tent, absolutely hammered down, all my backpack's soaked. Yeah, I'm just going to tuck into this now. Really looking forward to it. Just sat in the tent out of the rain. Just enjoying a brew dog. Elvis juice. Goes down really nicely this. Yeah, it's the only thing about winter camping. A lot of tent time. That's why I brought this tent out with me. Cairngorm again, tons of room in it. I'm just using the Trekology UL80 tonight. It's a decent sleep mat. Probably not the best winter sleeping mat, but brought my bivy bag out as well. The British Army Gore-tex Bivi bag. And I'm just using the OAX Fathom 400. It's still raining outside, so I'm just enjoying a few brew dogs. Brought my iPod with me as well, so I can listen to some tunes in a bit. I hope everyone's all set for Christmas. I hope everyone has a really good Christmas as well. Brought my British Army bivy bag out with me, just in case I needed an extra layer if it gets too cold. I've got a feeling I'll need it, because it's freezing. Yeah, I grabbed it at the last minute. Glad I did. It's been a while since I've used it. I was going to do a bivy camp on the tarp in the forest, but decided to come here last minute. Yeah, there wasn't much of a sunrise this morning. The tent took a beating last night. Really windy in the night. Tons of room in it. Not sure if you can make out the Great Ridge there, going along Back Tor to Lewes Hill there. This is almost the summit of Mam Tor. These ridges that run along the side of it are part of the old hill fort. There was an ancient hill fort here, in settlement years ago. And these are the ramparts. Yeah, there's like 2 ridges that go along. The summit's just at the top here. Not a bad view to wake up to. It's a cold one this morning. Not sure if you can make out the damaged road. Just down here. I think that was damaged in a landslide years ago. So that's no longer in use anymore. Okay, it stood up nicely to the wind last night. It was more strong gusts rather than constant wind, but they get really bad at times. Yeah, I camped right on the edge of this hill here. It's quite steep, this, so you won't want to fall down there. It's never fun taking the tent down in windy conditions. Really strong gusts. Just got all my stuff packed away, ready to go. Can't wait to tuck into these. Absolutely starving now. It's freezing. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to these bacon barms. Not a bad view either for breakfast. Nice view of the Great Ridge there. Stunning scenery. That's where I was camped. Just along here. Gonna make my way back now to Edale village. Gonna catch the train as well. I got the train there yesterday via Manchester. Then jumped on the Sheffield train. Pretty straightforward really. I'm looking forward to doing some more wild camps next year in the Peak District. Really enjoyed this one. Did get a bit cold in the night. I was wishing that I'd brought me snugpak sleeping bag. There's quite a few people on the path this morning. Didn't see one person yesterday. Had the place to myself, which was nice. Sure you can make it out. That's where I was camping there. Still really windy. Nice walk down to Edale village now. Catch the train.